Wait.
I'm audible,
So,
sir.
welcome to Vaayusastra Research Conference, where students are presenting their prototypes, research works, and the next team is team of two, Naveen and Ramakrishna, and their topic is the channel impulse response in massive MIMO system. Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for having me present our project. Myself, Naveen, and my teammate is Ramakrishnan. Our title is Secure Cryptographic Key Generating Using Channel Impulse Response in MIMO System. Objective, next slide. So, maintaining secure communication is essential for protecting sensitive information. However, traditional cryptographic key exchange protocols are often vulnerable to eavesdropping and attacks. To enhance reliability and the efficiency of the key generation process by utilizing large antenna arrays in massive MIMO systems. Our system addresses these challenges by integrating channel impulse response, signal processing, and machine learning algorithms. This innovative solution provides secure cryptographic key generation and adapts to real-time wireless changes and automates protection against eavesdropping and attacks. Right. So uses channel impulse response in massive MIMO to create secure cryptographic key with signal processing and machine learning. The system comprises large antenna arrays, signal processing units, and the machine learning algorithms as hardware and software components. Simulation and the experiment confirm strong security, making it ideal for next generation wireless security. Next slide will be explained by my teammate.
Hello, Ramakrishna. Mr. Ramakrishna. Mr. Ramakrishna. Naveen, please check whether he is available or you have to continue presenting.
Yeah, sir, 1 second.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yes. But we can't see your video.
Sir, video is still in on, sir.
Okay, continue.
Literature survey. Our literature paper is published on 2024. This paper explores design for multi-cell massive MIMO and cell-free massive MIMO system. And our second paper is published on the same year, focused on designing a compact 8-port array with dual polarized arena antennas for enhanced port isolation for 5G IoT devices. Our third paper is also published on the same year, analyzes beam space MIMO channels at 143 GHz, focusing on high frequencies. Existing system. The traditional key generation system used. So once again. So am I audible?
Hello. Yeah.
Traditional key generation system use deterministic or pre-shared keys. which are susceptible to encryption. Cryptographic algorithms such as RASA are rely on mathematical function but are vulnerable to com- computational power increases or algorithm weakness. Key exchanges methods often rely on physical layer security, but they do not fully exploit two characteristics of MIMO channels for real-time generation. Problem statement. Wireless communication faces threats like eavesdropping and hacking. Traditional fixed key methods are vulnerable. Channel-based impulse response key in massive MIMO are secured but require randomness and adaptability. Challenges. Ensuring unpredictable despite interference and multipath effects. Proposed system. Channel impulse response can modify the amplitude, phase, frequency of the signal used for key generation. Machine learning and signal processing ensure randomness. Large antenna arrays adapt key to real-time conditions. Strong cryptographic protocols prevent attacks. Block diagram. So in the transmitter side, the signal processing, see the the signal is extracted channel impulse response from wireless signals. Signal second. Signal processing and machine learning for key generation. Secure key exchanges protocol implementation. In the receiver side, it is directly opposite. Working principle. Channel impulse response data is collected from massive MIMO system. Amplitude, phase, and frequency variation helps generate keys. Machine learning ensures unique and continuously updated keys. A secure protocol prevents attacks, ensures secure, reliable, and effective communication. So next slide will explain by Navin.
Yes, sir. How it's work? Channel impulse response monitors wireless channel and sends data for processing. Machine learning algorithms generate secure cryptographic keys, predicting and detecting potential security threats. If necessary, the system triggers security protocols to adjust and ensure the communication. Real-time data is sent to the cloud platform, enabling remote monitoring and ensuring optically security. The security system improves will wireless communication security, reduce vulnerabilities, and protects sensitivity information. Thank you, sir.
Do you guys make any prototype of it?
So we are still in processing, sir.
Continue.
Thank you.
Hello.
Sir, sir,
Yeah. So
this is our project budget and the components, sir. Node MCU and orbit sensor, software defined radio, CPU processor, GPU processor, all are included in our project.
is there any structure first involved? You will be having some structures, right? Mechanical
So,
body.
we are still in processing.
Reference images, you have any 3D designs or something?
1 second, sir.
Sir, we don't any reference image, sir.
Okay. Because to build a prototype, you need to do some hand sketch at least.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe you can
Sir,
update in next presentation. Yes.
yeah. We have one
Yes, sir.
tower
Okay.
that connected with three nodes. That concept only we have, sir.
Understood. Understood. Anyway, so
For
visual representation of prototype is always necessary.
okay, sir.
And any questions? What are the other applications of your prototype, like your product? Where and all we can use?
Sir, we are used in cell phone towers, sir.
Okay. Other than cell phone towers?
At that time, we are mainly build it for cell phone towers for enhancing signals.
For
Signals and
example,
security.
so we can think in different ways, right? Some there are some places where that signal is very less. Maybe even underwater structures or structures which are too high altitudes, defense areas, islands.
Okay, okay,
So
sir.
specific areas I'm asking.
Yeah.
Generally, it's cell phone towers. Cell phone towers in which part? That is the question. Which application or which area?
These towers are placed in between the massive crowd areas, sir, like bus
Okay.
stands, railway stations, airports.
That's the too much crowd. I'm
Yeah.
asking about places with very less signal processing kind of thing. For example, if you go outside some metropolitan cities or some very remote villages where the connection itself is poor, in that case, can we do something? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
So maybe we can include some images to make us to understand little more visually. And
Okay, sir.
Oh,
you have to make a prototype to start doing trial and error in some industrial areas or in the crowded areas to figure out the troubles or real time issues we are facing. Once that's done, we can start working on the updated prototype before converting it to a product.
Okay.
yes, sir.
So, any audience, any other questions? Any of